Hey guys, today we're going to do some performance tests, so here we go. But first, let's start out with a flush. The flush is way too short. I've seen other Eljer Patriots and Savoys with the same tank but flush longer than that. This particular one and the others in general, well, let's see how it does on tests. First, let's see if it can take a microfiber rag. I think it should take this just fine. Took it without any problems. Next up, let's see if it can take 2 microfiber rags laid flat. I think this is gonna clog. Yep. Pretty clogged. Second flush. Let's see if it unclogs itself. Nope. That did pretty badly. Next up, let's see if it can take a grocery bag. I think it might air up, but I think it will probably clog. Wow, it barely passed. Since it passed the microfiber rag and the grocery bag separately, we're gonna try those together. I'm thinking it will clog miserably. Yep, looks clogged miserably. Second flush, let's see if it unclogs itself. Nope. That did terribly. Last but not least, let's see if it can take a microfiber towel. I think this is gonna clog miserably. Yep, looks clogged. Second flush, let's see if it unclogs itself. Nope. Let's see if it can take it while it unclogs it. Well, it can take it while it's draining the water after it's trying to unclog it, but when it takes it flat, it failed. Overall, the performance is not good. It only passed 2 out of 5 tests. Well, I'm kind of interested to see how this flushes on a high bucket tank. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.